Hello everyone, welcome to my mobile video editing free class CapCut Mastery 101. I'm Tutor Esther, a 300 level pharmacy student of Unilag, and I will be walking you through the very many aspects of this course. The main purpose of this video is to give you a brief backdrop of the tool we'll be using for this tutorial, and that tool is CapCut. Now let's head over to CapCut so we can start doing some magic. Alright, so I'm actually using I'm just going to look for the CapCut app and launch it. I'm using an iPhone XR for this tutorial, but everything is essentially the same on Android and iOS. So in CapCut it's the same both on iOS and Android. Okay, so once you launch the app, it will take you directly to the home screen page. All right, so and on the home screen page you can see new project icon, you can see projects, you can also see some smaller icons like auto cut, retouch, photo editor, remove background, etc. Those ones are not really necessary for the free class, but you may be needing the auto caption icon, you may be needing that one, but that will be like a share. Okay, so just explore the rest basically. Right, so when you talk about the let's talk about the new project. So this is the main button you use to start editing. You're going to click on this if you want to start editing your own video from scratch. All right, and then projects, this is where any unfinished projects or projects you previously worked on will be displayed. And as you can see, I've got a couple of videos down here. If this is your first time on the app, it will just be empty, right, because you do not have any previous projects and you do not even have any unfinished projects too. All right, so now let's continue. Now let's click on the new project icon. After clicking on the new project, CapCut takes you directly to the media selection screen where you choose the videos and photos you want to edit. So I'm just going to click on this random video I downloaded. Once you've selected your clip and tapped add, CapCut takes you straight into the editing workspace. This is where all the magic happens. So now you can see your clip on the timeline. Take note of what I'm calling all of these things, because this is what I'll be calling them during the course of this tutorial. All right, so right now we have the preview window. This is where you play and watch your video while editing. Below the timeline we have the toolbar, and this is where all your editing tools are. We have edit. Now here you can trim, split, crop, adjust the speed of your video basically. So you use this a lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. Okay, so now if you click on the edit, you can see, so it automatically selects the video, and you can see that vertical line there. It is called the playhead, and wherever it is placed shows you the exact frame you're seeing in the preview window. So if I moved it a little like this is what we can see. You get. So when we want to split our video, wherever we have the playhead is where the video will be split. And when I say split, it's simply like cutting my clip into smaller chunks. For example, let's split our video here. You can see, right, we now have two smaller clips, right? So now we also have volume to increase or decrease the volume of our video, animation, we'll get to that later, then effects, delete, speed, of course, to increase or decrease the speed of your video. We have beat, crop, duplicate, replace, just explore. Okay, so everything is here, you just have to explore. I'll be shedding more light when we need it, when we need any of these tools. Okay, before we go back, let me show you how to trim a clip. You just have to move it like this, do you see, or the other way to reduce the length of the clip, right? So okay, now let's go back. For audio, we have this is where you're able to add sounds. You can explore these tools, it's very easy to navigate. All right, so for text, we can add text. If you clicked on this, you can see we have templates. Most of these things are pro templates, only if you are free, I guess. Then fonts, you can select any font, style, effects, and once again I would say simply explore, because we don't want to burn up all your data. To go back, just click on the tick icon and click this arrow, and that's all. Here we can add effects and overlay. Overlay allows you lay another video or even a picture on top of your main video. So if I clicked on add overlay and select my picture or video. So for this, I'm just going to select this picture. It shows like this, and I can use my hand to reduce or increase the size from this corner right here. Do you see? Okay, so let's go back, and yeah, that's it. For filters and adjust, you can use that to, to just manipulate the visuals of your video. And yes, the very important aspect ratio, I say very important because this is actually very important. So this is where you can change the size of the video depending on the social media platform you will post the video. For example, if you clicked on this, 9:16 is for TikTok videos, 1:1 is for Instagram posts, 16:9 is for YouTube, and the rest you can just explore. So you have to know where this video will be posted, so you don't use 9:16, which is more appropriate for TikTok, to do a video for YouTube posts, because at the end of the day it won't be giving that script look you get. Imagine I was supposed to edit a video for YouTube and I use the aspect ratio for TikTok. When I post it on YouTube, it will look like this. Do you see? And you can see all these blank spaces. We don't want that, right? Good. So always choose the appropriate aspect ratio for the right platform. Lastly, we have background. So if I clicked on this, the toolbar appears and we can decide to add a solid color or an image, or even blur the background, and you can select the intensity of blurred background. And that's all for this tutorial. So when you finish editing, you can now export. At the top right corner, we have the export icon, and please, you can see this AI UHD. Screenshot this and set yours just like this to export high quality videos. Click on it again to close it up, and then click export. And that's all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment, or your review, you can drop it there. Right, so bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video.